Hello everyone, today I will show you how to report to Snapchat, and here's how it's done. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You will land on the camera screen by default. Tap the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to view your conversations. From your chat list, press and hold the chat of the person you want to report. Next, tap on Manage Friendship and then select Report. You will now be asked to choose the reason for your report. This helps Snapchat keeps its platform safe. Pick the option that best matches the issue. If none of the options apply, scroll down and select Other. For example, if someone is impersonating you, choose the It's Spam option. You can also add a comment with more details if you'd like. Finally, tap Submit to send your report. And that is everything you need to know about how to report to Snapchat in 2025. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.